Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Energy products are constantly being transported around the world, and in many circumstances, the only mode of transportation is on water. Natural gas is expensive to transport across the ocean as it requires a specialized ship built with expensive pressurized storage. As a viable alternative, companies can transport liquefied natural gas or LNG that is cooled down to liquid form, so it doesn't require pressurized storage, and that means it's cheaper to move. To play this LNG segment, consider Flex LNG Ltd. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol FLNG. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, Flex LNG is a $1.4 billion market cap company focused on the transport of, as you can guess, LNG by its fleet of 13 modern vessels. Since the majority of its ships are in long-term fixed-rate charter contracts, there is some revenue certainty. FLNG stock is currently hovering at around $23.51 per share. That's about $1 below its 50-day average and 200-day moving average. While the shares have not delivered any price appreciation this year, down 9.5% since the start of 2024, contrarian income investors receive a nice dividend of $3 annually with FLNG stock, plus the opportunity for a rally.
And John, how did this company do in the third quarter of this year?
Flex LNG's revenues advanced actually 209% from $120 million in 2019 to a record $371 million in 2023. Now, its revenues have grown in 6 straight years, dating back to $27.3 million in 2017. Now, as you mentioned, the third quarter, revenues were actually down 4.3% year over year at $90.5 million, but slightly above the company's own guidance of $90 million. Now, Flex LNG guided revenue to around $90 million for the fourth quarter and $353 million to $355 million for full year 2024. In the 9 months to September 30th, the company reported revenue of $265.4 million. Now, based on the year-to-date results, the company is on target to come close to analyst consensus of $356.3 million for the year. Now, in order to drive revenues higher, key will be Flex's ability to expand its fleet. Now, this shouldn't be an issue since the company generates consistent profitability. Plus, it was cash free flow positive in 2022 and 2023.
And how about the bottom line here?
Strong gross margins have resulted in 3 straight years of higher profitability from 2021 to 2023. The record high was $3.51 per diluted share in 2022, prior to dropping to $2.22 per diluted share in 2023. Now, Flex reported 32 cents per diluted share in the recently closed third quarter and $1.34 per diluted share for the 9 months to September. Now, on an adjusted basis, the company earned 53 cents per diluted share in the third quarter. And that was actually a penny below the consensus estimate. Analysts expect Flex LNG to report $2.37 per diluted share in 2024 and $2.10 per diluted share in 2025.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, the management has actually said that the steady dividends are the company's goal.
Yeah, Flex LNG recently declared another quarterly dividend of 75 cents per share, a rate it has maintained since December 2021. After being raised from 40 cents per share in September 2021, the company attributed its ability to pay the dividend to its strong financial position and contract backlog. FLNG stock's attractive forward yield of 11.53% is largely due to the price weakness over the past year. Over the last 10 years, the average dividend yield was 5.3%. Flex LNG Ltd accesses its profits and other surplus cash to make its dividend decision. This is a risk with FLNG stock, but so far, there have been no announced changes.
John, thank you so much for your insights. In the end, the one more interesting thing about Flex LNG is the heavy insider ownership of 43.1% of the outstanding shares. High insider ownership could be viewed as a positive sign. FLNG stock has not delivered the price appreciation we would like to see. But for income investors, the strong mandate to pay dividends and the high yield are compelling. That's it for today. And make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.